Hi everyone, let's talk about how to create an ideas. So there is a different way to create an ideas depending upon your personality. You can choose your favorite way to create an ideas. See, ideas can be observed and can be created. It doesn't have to be a gifted, okay? So if you are a good observer, you can observe and you can have it. If you think you are not good in observing, not a problem. You can create your own idea. So today we are going to discuss about how to create an idea. See, there is a 5 ways to create an idea. One is called problem solving. Second is called scientific research. Third is called artistic way. And fourth is called philosophical way, and fifth is called 3M. So if you are a person who are a problem oriented and want to have a solution, then this could be your favorite way to find an idea. If the problem is motivating you to solve it, this is your way to find an idea. It's simple. Look into the problem. Don't think of solution. Try to solve the problem the way you think is best without looking into the available solution. And after some time, you will be a different idea with solving a problem. Another way is the research. Like scientific research, most often the medical field use a scientific research method to finding an idea. A lot of medicine are based on this. And then there is a artistic idea that you already know, and then philosophical idea that you also know. Artistic idea can be favorable for the people who used to receive a compliment like your mind is high in the sky, okay? And philosophical idea can be your favorite if you think that you are a thoughtful person and you have a history of it. You having a feedback as such, okay? So the philosophical idea can be your favorite. Now let's talk about 3M ideas. In 3M ideas, if you are a logical person, if you want to believe in figure out the solution, or a kind of mechanical person, this is for you. 3M idea consists of 3 ideas. First is called modification, mixing, and mode. So in modification of ideas is pretty popular. What the people do, I remember of one a very successful blogger. What he did, that he looked into the TV series, a famous TV series, and he modified it in his own version. So the TV series was all about interviewing people when people are on vacation on the beach in the day. So this YouTuber, they did the interview, but not in the day. They chose interview in the night. Instead of interviewing to the people who are relaxing, they went in a bar in the night to interview them, people who are drunk. And that series got massive hit. So this is an example of modification of an idea. Now let's talk about mixing an idea. See, the aeroplane is an example of mixing an idea. You're taking several existing idea, you're mixing them and coming up with a new idea. And then there is a mode. This is something that one idea is already existing. You're not creating a new idea, or one idea is already existed. What you're doing, that you're changing the perspective of an idea. You're changing the meaning of that idea. Okay, so oftenly in the fashion industry, in the retail industry, in the garment industry, we can see it oftenly, that some kind of a style which was famous before 10, 20, 30, 40 years before, they change the perspective. Now the famous actor, actress using the old fashion in the latest movies, and that kind of a style becoming a famous. Do you see? So this is a way of keeping the idea but changing the meaning, changing the perspective of an idea. So I will let you choose what is best for you. So thank you so much again for your attention. See you in the next video.